Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have a Xiumin unboxing. I'll be unboxing his debut mini album, Brand New. I do have all three versions here with me, the Oasis version, Desert, and the Digipack. Now this album came out a couple weeks ago now. But I did receive it last week while I was out of town, and I was just like so tired from being out of town and then coming back, and I wanted to unbox this when I felt well to unbox it because it's Xiumin's debut album. And so I'm super excited that he finally got to have his solo, so I decided to wait and we finally got a chance to unbox. I have not seen any unboxings at all for this. I haven't really had the time, and so I'm going to be seeing this for the first time. I'm so excited. And so I think I'm going to start with the Oasis version first. It is my favorite version from what I saw. And I really like how the cover looks. So we'll start with that one. Okay, so here is the front cover, and I really, really love this cover. I think this concept is my favorite. Okay, so I got the track list right here in front. My favorite songs are like the first three songs. Feedback is like my favorite. Like, it's just like, I don't know, I didn't expect Xiumin to have that song. And it just sounds so different from like anything that I thought that he would put out. And I'm glad that he got to have the song with Mark again. The other two songs are more like ballads, which I don't necessarily listen to that often. I remember when he was like putting out these pictures, he was been so excited for this album, and I'm so happy that he's been so happy, and I hope he's very content with this album. Yeah, I definitely love this photo book. Like the colors, it's so vibrant, like just so pretty. Like these pictures, wow, so beautiful. Yeah, so feedback is definitely my favorite. I think probably, I guess feedback and Brand New. I think he said that like feedback could have been a title track, which like agreed. Also, seriously, how is this man over 30? I'm just like enjoying these pictures because this photo book is so pretty. Like honestly, this is like one of my favorite photo books. Like we still have halfway, I think, through the photo book, but these pictures are absolutely gorgeous. Just so pretty. You know, he's given us like a lot of content, which I haven't gotten to everything because there's just like a lot. Like he was able, like only Xiumin can get 5 EXO members in one room. I still haven't watched that yet because I haven't had the time. But hopefully this weekend I get to watch that. I did watch him on, oh gosh, what's the name? Is it Alcohol Fighter? I did get to see the first episode of that, but I haven't watched the second one. And then we had already seen Serenity. And it was nice that he included that song on the album. I'm so excited to collect because all his photo cards look so nice. And they went with like the standard 9 PCs, which is what I thought they would do. Okay, and this is the back, which is just so pretty. Okay, so let me get the inclusions, which I have in the back of me. First I see a Samad. Okay, and then we get a postcard. Got this one. I can't remember. There might be 3 postcards. I can't remember how they look like, to be honest. There's the postcard. And then I also get this, looks like stickers. Yeah, like I said, I am just in love with this concept. I love it so much. And then for the photo card, so I did obviously Xiumin, and we got this one. I have seen a template, and all his photo cards are super cute. Okay, so we got D. So I didn't know, and someone did tell me that he did do like Suho, that there's like an order for his photo card. So he spelled brand new. So I did get the D, and of course, I will be collecting all 9 of the cards. So I'm excited to collect those. I did only buy just one version for this because honestly, that's what I could afford. I'm broke. I'm just being real here. And because of traveling, and so obviously I had to get the album, but I didn't get 3 albums to collect all the cards, so I will be hopefully buying those really soon so I can keep up with the photo card collection. Okay, so we're gonna move on to the desert version. Okay, so here is the desert version. I guess I haven't really talked about the music video, which the music video is also very colorful, and it felt like it was a gift. Just the whole concept with gifts, and it was truly a gift. And just like seeing all the on all the EXO music videos of all the things they include of like EXO related stuff. And like I don't know if you guys watch reaction videos, but that's why I really like watching Say What Reacts, Anitra. She really loves those things. She really likes this stuff, and so she like catches a lot of things that I didn't catch. And I love her channel. She always gets like EXO's her alt group also, and so she gets like super excited about those stuff, and it's always so fun to see that, because like I don't catch, like I'm just like so bad, I don't catch things until like I see them later when people mention them, like, oh my goodness, that's so right. And I would love to see them perform live. I've seen like his on the shows that he was with, or on the shows that he went to promote in Korea. And I am going to need just SM Town to have SM Town in the US with at least 3 days and bring the EXO members. So SM, please, please, please. Yeah, I think these like Xiumin's photo books have been like some of my favorite photo books. Like they're just very colorful. They look super nice. I'm so excited to see all the content. I've seen like his dance practice stuff, but I'm excited to see. I have him like saved on my phone of like to watch it later. I think he did like a short he drinking with XOLs, and I'm just all the different content that we have gotten. It's like it feels new because they don't really feel like SM doesn't really have them do that stuff. So here's the back. And okay, so let me get the other things. Okay, so that was the SM ad again, and then here is the postcard. And I really liked him in this like yellow jacket that he had. So this is this postcard, and then the stickers for this version. I think there's only like one sticker that went with each version. Okay, so here is the photo card, and so we got B. Okay, so here is the photo card for this version. Okay, so I think it's the dessert version's like the first version based on the letters, and then dessert, and then the digipack. So super cute. And so those were the photo books, and then we're gonna move on to the last digipack. Okay, so I did zoom us in for the digipack. Hope it's not like too zoomed in, but I mean, I think it's fine. Okay, so here is first the poster. Okay. Okay, so let's look at the booklet. I am telling you, how is this man over 30? How is he the oldest member? And the credits. Okay, so then all that's left is the photo card. I got the SMR and the photo card. And so I got, okay, so I got this one for the digipack, which is E. This is like the first one for the digipack. So we're going like in order. So I got this. Okay, so those were my pulls and unboxing for the album. I'll bring everything into frame for the outro. Okay, so here are my pulls. I am again obsessed with this version. It just looks so nice. I absolutely love that photo book, and that concept is so beautiful to me. This was my unboxing for Xiumin's first album, his debut. I am so happy for him that he finally got to debut as a soloist. I love all my EXO solos. I think they really just shine and they never disappoint, which is why I love them so much. And Brand New is so good. Like, if you haven't watched it, go watch it, go listen to it. It is so great. His B-sides are amazing as well. He really showed us that he can be a main vocalist, that he has an amazing voice. Thank you guys again for watching and support Xiumin with this album. And my next EXO related content is going to be Chen, who is coming with his third mini album in a couple of weeks. I'm super excited also to have that album and unbox it with you guys. Our EXO members are not letting us take a break with their solos, but I'm so happy. I'm always happy with new music from the EXO, so stay tuned for that, and I will see you at the next video.